We are now done with this sketch 1. So now let's exit sketch. If this is still highlighted light blue, just click over here in this drawing area. It should be gray. We're now going to put in some text. It's asking you what plane to be on. Well, there's no top plane to select over here, so we need to go over to our tree and select top plane. Type in your initials. Unselect Use Document Font and select the icon font. There are many other fonts available. Please just stick with Century Gothic for the time being. Units will be 2 inches and click OK. You can now select on your drawing area where you want this to be centered and do your best to center it. When you're done, click checkmark. You've been drawing for a little while, so make sure you click Save at this time.